Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of reptiles and amphibians, specifically how to keep them as pets. So, is it okay to take in an amphibian? Well, it's important to remember that amphibians are wild animals and require specific care. Before bringing one home, do your research. Understand their needs, like proper housing, diet, and environmental conditions. It's crucial to ensure you can provide a suitable environment for their well-being. Now, let's talk about mealworms. Are they suitable for amphibians and reptiles? The answer is yes, but with some caveats. Mealworms are a good source of protein, but they should be offered as a supplement to a varied diet. For example, you can offer them alongside crickets, earthworms, or other insects. Do amphibians need live food? Generally, yes. Most amphibians are carnivores and require live food to thrive. This is because live food provides essential nutrients and encourages natural hunting instincts. However, there are some exceptions, like certain species of frogs that can be fed commercially prepared food. Do reptiles and amphibians need to hibernate? This depends on the species. Some species, like certain turtles and snakes, do hibernate during colder months. Others, like most frogs and salamanders, do not. It's crucial to research the specific needs of your pet to determine if hibernation is necessary. How do I know the sex of a frog? This can be tricky. In some species, males are smaller than females. Others have distinct vocal sacs or breeding coloration. However, it's best to consult a veterinarian or experienced breeder for accurate sex determination. What should I do if a pet is not eating? If your reptile or amphibian is refusing food, it's important to investigate the cause. Is the temperature too low or high? Is the humidity too dry or too wet? Is the food appropriate for their species? If you can't identify the problem, it's always best to consult a veterinarian. Finally, what should I do if a frog or salamander is bloated? Bloating can be a sign of a serious health issue, such as parasites or digestive problems. If you notice bloating, it's crucial to seek veterinary attention immediately. Remember, keeping reptiles and amphibians as pets is a rewarding experience, but it requires dedication and knowledge. Always do your research, provide proper care, and consult a veterinarian when needed. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of reptiles and amphibians, and answering some of your most burning questions. So, is it normal for a frog to yawn? You bet. Just like us, frogs yawn to stretch their jaw muscles and keep their mouths moist. It's a totally natural behavior, so don't worry if you see your frog doing it. Now, let's talk about those pesky Drosophila flies that can sometimes plague our terrariums. The best way to get rid of them is to keep your terrarium clean and free of food scraps. You can also use a sticky trap or a fruit fly trap to catch them. What vitamins are given to reptiles and amphibians? Well, it depends on the species. But generally, they need calcium, vitamin D3, and a multivitamin. You can find these in powder form at most pet stores. Stuffing food is a technique used to feed reptiles and amphibians that are picky eaters or have difficulty swallowing. It involves placing the food inside a tube or syringe and gently pushing it into the animal's mouth. It's important to use the right size tube and to be gentle, as you don't want to hurt the animal. Coconut fiber is a great substrate for many reptiles and amphibians. It's absorbent, retains moisture well, and provides a natural-looking environment. It's also easy to clean and maintain. Why do tree frogs change color? It's all about camouflage. Tree frogs can change their skin color to blend in with their surroundings, making them harder for predators to spot. They can also use color changes to communicate with each other. Finally, let's talk about what to do if you find a reptile or amphibian. The first thing you should do is observe it from a safe distance. Don't try to touch it or pick it up. If it's injured or in danger, you can contact your local wildlife rescue organization for help. Remember, Reptiles and amphibians are fascinating creatures that deserve our respect and care. By learning about their needs and providing them with the right environment, we can help ensure their well-being.